1. The Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean is the deepest spot on Earth. It is 11,034 meters, 36,201 feet, deep. That is over 7 kilometers away. 2. At 6,853 kilometers, the River Nile is the world's longest river. 11 different nations also share its water resources. 3. Although lobsters are not biologically immortal, they do create an enzyme that fixes their cells and facilitates endless DNA replication. That is where the myth originates. 4. Lake Baikal in Siberia is the deepest freshwater lake in the world. It dives to a staggering 5,315 feet, 1,620 meters, below the surface. Whoa! 5. The growth of pineapples takes 2 years. 6. Acacia trees in Africa can exchange messages with one another. To warn other trees to generate the toxic tannin, they release gases.